Unlock the power of relative adverbs in English. Hello, learners! Today we're going to talk about a powerful tool in English grammar, relative adverbs. With the right understanding of their usage and a bit of practice, you can make your English more expressive and nuanced. So, let's dive in. To begin with, relative adverbs are words that introduce relative clauses. These special adverbs are where, when, and why, and they link two parts of a sentence together. Just like a bridge connects two shores, relative adverbs connect clauses in a sentence, providing more details about place, where, time, when, or reason, why. Now, how do we use these relative adverbs in English? We use where for place to give more information about a location. We use when for time to provide more details about a moment or a period. And we use why for reason to explain the cause or the purpose of something. Remember, the clause introduced by the relative adverb is used to modify a noun or a noun phrase in the previous clause. Alright, now let's look at some examples to help you understand better. Example 1, where Paris is a city where you can find many historical landmarks. In this sentence, where is connecting the two clauses, adding information about the place, Paris. Example 2, when I'll never forget the day when I first met you. Here, when is giving more information about the day. Example 3, why? The reason why I am late is that my car broke down. In this example, why explains the reason for being late. That's it for today, folks. Now you know what relative adverbs are, how to use them, and have seen them in action. The magic of where, when, and why can make your English sentences more detailed and connected. Keep practicing, and soon you will master these relative adverbs. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!